All right. So historically, we would actually not use a GUI when we wanted to control our computer. We would run text-based commands in something called the terminal. You will need to have a basic understanding of the Unix terminal in order to be a successful Meteor developer. So let's open the terminal. All right. Blow this up. So the first thing we'll notice here is we've got our prompt. Sometimes you might see an arrow, sometimes you might see a $sign, but whenever you see a $sign and then some sort of command, usually they're saying run this command in the terminal when you're looking at a guide online. The tilde means home. So I'm currently in the home directory. So a tilde is shortcut for your home directory. Now, when you're inside of a terminal, you are always pointed at a certain location on the file system. So it's the equivalent of having a folder open inside of your file explorer. So if you want to see the current directory that we're at, we need to type pwd, print working directory. Here you can see that we are at the /users/Wesley directory. This is the home directory. If I want to list the files and folders inside of this directory, here are all the folders. I don't currently have any files. If I want to navigate into a folder, I would want to change into that directory. So I'd use the cd command, change directory, into the desktop folder. So imagine this as going one step further down into another folder. I'm in the desktop folder now, and now I want to see all my files and folders, ls. So you can see I don't have a very organized desktop here. Now, if I wanted to move up a level, I would type cd ... and this would move me back up to my home folder. Okay? So now, most of the time, what you'll use the terminal for is running commands on your Meteor application. You'll typically use the Meteor command for 3 different things: creating a Meteor app, starting your Meteor app, and installing packages onto your Meteor app. So I'm going to change directory into my projects folder. And from here, I want to make an example Meteor app. So I would type Meteor create example Meteor. Example Meteor is the name of my app in this case. Whoops, that was a typo. So this is the name of my app right here. And now it will create a folder called example Meteor inside of projects that contains my app. So your app is nothing more than a folder with files inside of it. So if I want to go into my app folder, type cd example Meteor. Oops. So now I'm in the example Meteor app. If I want to run it, I would just type the Meteor command to start it. All right. Now, if I wanted to go into Chrome and take a look at my app, there we go. Took a second to create the new window. I would just type localhost 3000. And I'm at the basic app. Click the button and it'll count how many times. So I will be going into how this app right here is built, which happens to introduce some of the core concepts of Meteor in the next video.